Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation designed to affirm your journey towards a serene and joyful existence. Find a quiet space where you can be undisturbed for the duration of this session. Choose a position where you feel most comfortable, whether seated or lying down. Make any adjustments necessary to ensure that every part of your body is at ease. Once you are settled, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, drawing in peace and calm. Hold it briefly, and exhale slowly. Releasing any tensions or concerns. Focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and hold your breath at the peak for a count of 3. Exhale thoroughly through your mouth, imagining that with each out-breath, you are releasing stress and worries further and further away. Let this cycle of deep breathing help you delve deeper into relaxation, grounding you firmly in the here and now. Begin at the crown of your head. Relax your scalp, then let this sensation of relaxation slowly move downward. Smooth the furrows from your forehead. Let your eyelids become heavy and feel the muscles around your eyes relax. Release any tension in your cheeks, jaw, and neck. Allow this wave of relaxation to flow down to your shoulders, a common storage place for stress. Feel them lowering away from your ears as the tension dissipates. Relax your arms all the way to your fingertips, feeling a sense of release in every muscle. Let the relaxation spread to your chest and back, easing the core of your body. Relax your abdomen and feel your lower back release. Let this calming energy wash over your hips, down your thighs, past your knees, and down to your ankles and feet. Each part of your body, from head to toe, feels deeply relaxed and perfectly at ease. As your body rests in peace, begin to fill your mind with affirmations. Silently tell yourself, "All is well within me. I am guided towards a life of bliss." Allow these affirmations to resonate within you, each word a gentle brushstroke, painting a serene landscape in your mind. Believe in their truth and let them uplift your spirits. Picture yourself walking along a peaceful river that meanders through a beautiful landscape. The river is calm, with the water gently flowing in the direction you are walking. Each step you take along the bank fills you with more peace. The air is fresh and vibrant with the sounds of nature. Find a spot by the river to sit and watch the water pass by. Each ripple and wave is a reminder of life's beautiful continuities and its promise of new opportunities. Absorb this scene, knowing it reflects the peaceful and joyous flow of your own life. Turn your attention to thoughts of gratitude. Reflect on the parts of your life that fill you with thankfulness. Contemplate the relationships, opportunities, and joys that have marked your journey. Feel each thought deepen your sense of peace and fulfillment, enriching your connection to the world. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body, the air around you caressing your skin, and listen to the sounds that fill your space. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently start to move your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, open your eyes slowly. Take a moment to appreciate the calm and assurance you have cultivated in this session. Carry the sense of peace and positive anticipation with you as you go about your day. You are on a path to a blissful life, and everything is aligning for your highest good. Thank you for taking this time to center yourself. May the serenity and joy